Most people think feet pics only sell to fetish buyers. Wrong. There's a whole other market out there. Brands, bloggers, even stock photo sites who pay real money for clean, brand-safe foot content. And today, I'll show you exactly who they are, what they want, and how you can package your photos to land those sales. So if you've been stuck chasing just one type of buyer, this video is going to help flip the script. Let's talk about buyers who aren't fetishists, but still pay for those feet pics. Feet visuals are everywhere. Shoe ads, pedicure products, travel blogs, even stock photo sites. These buyers care about clarity, lifestyle, and professionalism, not eroticism, which means the same pics you already shoot can be repurposed for a whole new audience. Here are the 5 biggest categories that you should know about. 1. Shoe brands. They need walking shots, side angles, and lifestyle photos for their sneakers, boots, or sandals. 2. Beauty and skincare companies. Think pedicure creams, foot scrubs, nail polish. They want those close-ups of clean, polished feet. Number 3. Health and wellness. Orthotics, physical therapy, even running shops. They need neutral, educational shots that show alignment and comfort. 4. Travel and lifestyle. Resorts, spas, bloggers. They buy those iconic poolside, hammock, or sandy beach shots. And last, 5. Stock photo websites. They just want variety. Clean, diverse, evergreen content that they can resell for years. Don't just sell one-off pics. Package your content. For example, a shoe launch pack, 10 different angles, and 1 short video clip. A spa ritual set, showing your soak, a scrub, cream, and polish. A travel lifestyle batch with pool, beach, and hammock shots. Packaging makes you look more professional, and buyers pay more for bundles. Here's the secret. Don't price per photo, price per usage. If a brand wants to use your pics on Instagram, that's one price. If they want to use them on their website or in ads, that's more. You can keep it simple. Social media only, there's a base price. Websites and ads, 2 to 3 times your base price. Exclusivity, double or triple your rate. Want to land these buyers? Try this simple DM or email. Hey brand that you're reaching out to, I create clean lifestyle foot visuals that boost product pages and social posts. I can deliver a set of X amount of photos and short clips in X amount of days. Want to see some samples? Send 5 to 10 of these a week and you'll be surprised who bites. So stop thinking it's just fetish buyers. Shoe brands, spas, travel blogs, even stock sites are all paying for clean, professional foot content. If you want me to drop a free rate card template that you can copy, comment rate card down below. And hey, hit like if this helps. Subscribe for the upcoming Feet Pics price guide and start turning your photos into a real business.